Okay, so we're getting really close to changing the oil. I just want to add one thing, which is if your car's been sitting for a while, your oil is more than likely, the old oil that is more than likely kind of cold. Kind of depends on the weather, but one thing you can do before you change the oil is you can go ahead and start your car up for a couple of minutes. Be careful with this though, because if you start your car and you leave it for too long, your car gets too hot. It's going to be really hot underneath when you're taking the oil out and when you're replacing the oil filter. So you want to be really careful with that because you don't want to get burned on any of those hot parts underneath the car. So just a tip, you can go ahead and get that oil warmed up just a little bit, and it's going to help your oil, the old oil, flow out of the car a lot smoother. You know, get rid of more of the gunk and stuff that's in there. So first step we're going to do towards changing the oil is we're going to remove the oil cap on top of the engine. Now these can be, you know, any place on the car, you know, not any place, but more than likely closest to the engine. But like I said before with the dipstick, the engine oil for this car has a little graphic on it and also says engine oil, which makes it a lot easier. So make sure you get the right cap that you screw off. But you're going to take this off, and that's going to help your oil flow a little bit smoother as you're taking it out of your car as well.